Faqs. Welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do our makeup today because I was supposed to been do this video like I don't know how long ago, but we're gonna do it today. I thought I heard something. I'm out of breath. So boom. Let me tell y'all a little story time on how I got scammed. First time ever. It's my fault though. It's my fault. I'm stupid, you know. Sometimes it's just I want to believe something and let me stop chatting, but it's something little and it was only like $5, but that's not the point. Let me finish. So my drug. So boom. I'm on TikTok, right? And they keep promoting this camera, right? If you be on TikTok, you know what I'm talking about. But they be promoting this camera and my dumb self fell for it. So basically, they were supposedly doing a sale and the camera was on clearance. So supposedly it was a Canon, but I should have known better because like nigga, a Canon is like 1,000 and up, 800 and up around there. So my dumb self. I hope y'all can hear me. I don't know what foundation I want to use. Should I use this one, Elf, or my back? So I'm bugging out. Anyways, we're gonna do a soft glam today. So boom. I hate telling stories because I be all over the place. So they kept promoting this camera or whatever, and I'm seeing like different people. I'm like, alright, boom. I go into the website and it takes me to another website called Vista, Verona, something like that. Vista, some shit. So I'm like, you promoting it on TikTok, but it takes you to another website. I don't know. I didn't really think too much of it until I seen the price, and right there I should have stopped. But I also wanted to see what happens. I wanted to see what happens when I, you know. So I'm like, boom. Let me see if it worked. They said, oh, $4. It went from $120 to $4. I'm like, ain't no way. But I don't know. I like to try stuff just so it could be confirmed, if that makes sense. So I'm over here I'm like, let me hit purchase. So that's when I keep seeing the videos like being promoted on TikTok. So that's when I seen some guy talking about something. If you see this website, don't purchase from here. Don't do this. Don't do that. And I'm like, wow, why couldn't I see this video before? You know? And it's not even about the money. I mean, it is about the money, but it's really not. It's the principle. Why y'all scamming people? So, who's texting my jack? Anyways, this has paint on it too. No, I cleaned this brush. Anywho. So, yeah, I purchased it or whatever. And it says, thank you for your purchase, blah, blah, blah. Like a real, you know? And the camera was looking fire, Canon, all that. Then when I noticed when I purchased it, it wasn't a Canon. It was like the same type of camera, but it didn't say Canon on it. So that was already a red flag. The price was a red flag, and then that was a red flag. And then I was just like, let me see if it goes through. Click purchase. They emailed me and everything, talking about, thank you for your purchase, blah, blah, blah. And this was last night, by the way. Today is November 15th. This was last night. So, thank you for your purchase, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, bet, let me see. And then you can see the tracking updates on Shop. The app called Shop. It's a purple app. And usually I'll see my like purchases on there and it will go through like official. So I'm waiting. So then I start seeing the videos on TikTok of the guy like, oh, don't purchase from here, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, oh, shit. And mind you, it got other people for $40. It only got me for $5. So I was like, yo, good thing I only paid $5 for this. Like, and I use my Cash App. I'm not stupid. I use my Cash App because I don't really care for Cash App like that. See, if it was my bank account, that's different. But I like to use, when it comes to stuff like that, I like to use my Cash App. So I'm like, good thing I use my Cash App. But I still have to wait for it to go through, for the order to go through, in order for me to cancel it or mark it as like fraud or something like that. So, yeah, that's the current status right now. I'm just waiting for it to go through so I can cancel it. And yeah, I'm just like, I even wrote the TikTok company and the TikTok shop company, and I'm like, why y'all scamming people? Like, but of course they're not gonna write back. But the lady that was promoting it, I wanted to find her page so bad and volley her. Like, what are you doing? You promoting a fucking Canon on this website? Like, That pisses me off when people do that. So yeah, I can't find. I know her name is. I forgot her name. It said it on the thing, but I know this hoe ain't promoting fake stuff. And like, what's wrong with you? Like, why are you promoting fake stuff? I don't like this foundation. It's not full coverage. I need full coverage, boo. So yeah, that's that. Come to find out, it's a fake website, and if you ever come across it, don't order from there. Okay? I'm about to show y'all right now, matter of fact. Niggas gave me a confirmation number and all that. Like, how dare you? Oh, they really scamming people. You know how many people they scammed? And in the comments, everybody was like, oh, I had to cancel my card, and this and this and that. I'm like, wow, they disrespectful. I don't like this. I'm about to use my other foundation. Like, how y'all gonna scam people? Like, you stupid or something? So yeah, let me show y'all. I'm like, oh, they wanna be cute. Talking about some. Yeah, we will let you know when we ship your. It's called Vista Cams. Thank you for your purchase. And let me show you the camera. Visit our store. And I should have known too, because they just shown this one camera. It's called Vista. Don't order from there. And then they make it seem like, oh, you can get a return and you can do this and you can do that. But then come to find out, like in the comments, when I was reading the comments, everybody was like, oh, they don't help you with like getting your money back and stuff like that. Like if you press a button, nothing. Like they don't contact you or nothing. I'm like, yo, they funny. Crazy, right? I think I'm gonna use this one. Mad disrespectful. Makeup be itching. So yeah, that's that. This is my first time ever getting scammed. I think I put too much. This is my first time ever getting scammed. It's funny, but it's not. Cause what are y'all doing? Honestly, I'm brushing with this makeup. I just want to do my makeup because I'm bored. And why not get content out of it, you know? But yeah, I need to just stop with these cameras and stuff like that. And just wait. Cause my dumb ass sold my camera. I should have never did that. And I bought this camera too off TikTok shop. The one right here. The 4K Ultra HD. And I don't even use it. Like, I can use it for vlogs and all that, but the quality ain't all the way there. And the sound ain't all the way there. I have to use my mic if I'm recording, so I don't know, man. I just don't use it. I should use it though. I am gonna get a Canon though. Either a Canon or the Sony ZV-1 again. Cause I'm not gonna front. That Sony ZV-1 is good. The quality, the sound, everything. And then it has like this smooth skin effect. And it makes your skin look mad smooth. You don't see my freckles or nothing. And it's funny because I don't like freckles, my real freckles, but I like the fake freckles. Mad backwards, right? I know. I know. I need to hurry up. Mama don't even know what I'm doing. She's with my baby right now. She's gonna be like, what are you doing? I just decided to come in here and do my makeup. Okay. Okay. I think my baby is up. Oh, let me hurry up. Let me hurry up. Contour. Contour, where you at? I'm not even gonna bother. I use my same regular palette that I used. Ooh, this joint itch. I wanna go dark. We're gonna go with that one. This one be mad dark though. I barely do my eyebrows now. Like when it comes to shading them in. I think that's my mother. I'm coming. I look crazy right now. I'm coming. She was like, "Where's mommy?" Yo, I'm gonna have to come back. My daughter don't want me. All right, y'all, I'm back. I was feeding my daughter, but hmm, it's decent. Now I have to set my face. I'm gonna be using this Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil. Original translucent. Yeah, it kind of look pink. We're gonna see right now. Let's see. I took a little minute to set my face, so it might crease a little bit, you know. This is actually my first time trying it. I still want the Carson powder. Supposedly that one's waterproof and it makes your face look matted, I guess, but in a good way. Now so my eyes won't look so dead. As far as my lashes, I'm gonna do them later. I don't know if I'm gonna put mascara. I have this Twinkies lip liner. Now we're gonna use horchata from TikTok shop. Beautiful. And this one sells out a lot. Like I had to wait for it to get back in stock. And once it was back in stock, you already know. The first second they released it again. And it smells so good. Oh my goodness. And then the packaging, beautiful. Just look at it. Just look at it. And then I have the latte one. What is it called? Vanilla latte? That one. Come with this. And the lip liner. Where is the lip liner? It's hiding in here somewhere, you know? But yeah. And the Twinkies one. I feel like the Twinkie one smells weird after a while. Like the gloss. No, I don't. They actually smell like Twinkies for real too. my nose itch, my everything itch. When you put makeup on, yeah, be prepared. All right, we're gonna use my highlight from TikTok shop because because I haven't used this one in a minute, and we're gonna do a video at the same time to promote. You see how fast I did my makeup? I didn't even take that long, to be honest. We're gonna spray our face and then put some of that. I want to put more out. You have to shake it. I like how this is just a mist and it don't spray out hard like other sprays. I don't like that. This one, does this one do that? Let me see. Yeah, it's kind of harsh. This one. And I had another one. I don't know what that. That one was harsh. The other one I'm talking about. So you want to let it dry, you know? All that good stuff. And then if you see little wet spots, you just dab it. That's it. Got that from the TikTok shop too. I have mad holes in my face because my piercings. I have mad piercings like Kayla. Let me use this brush too. Because some fell around the rim. So I could really use that. Yeah, baby. I was actually supposed to put something on my Cupid's bow before I put the lipstick on. Where's that? Oh. Now, we gotta record this too. Yeah. Anyway, y'all see that? Stop. On the veil? I think I want to wear the veil. Stop. This girl be spitting. Should I wear the clear ones? Oh, this from TikTok too. My bad. Should I wear these or the black ones? What's the black ones right here? Boom. Boom. Y'all see that? Boom. And then boom. It's giving black. I should wear the black. Yeah. I mean, I like both. This light is just blowing on. Like, it's not even... Anyways. I hope y'all enjoyed me doing my makeup. My little story time. This is what happens, you know? You can't trust the internet. And you can't trust these websites, you know? Like, don't be like me. But yeah, I was like, it's $5. Let me just... And if they take it, they take it because it's $5. I just want to see if it's legit. Okay? My dumbass would have been waiting here. Because some girl was like, she said it was saying shipped and nothing. Delivered, nothing. I'm like, wow. So yeah, my dumbass would have just been sitting here waiting like, hello? But yeah. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I gotta put this somewhere. I think it's mad big. Alright, bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Because y'all getting me mad.